first.
Yeah, now it's here. We should probably give the underside a clean.
Yeah. No cars? No cars.
No cam.
My brother always says, no cars, no cars.
Go straight and left.
Yes, we're getting down to the big road. There we go left.
Oh yeah, here's the big road.
It's the big road. Yeah, it is.
And on the left side, so there's a car coming.
On the right side now.
I see why a lot of people have little cars and little motorbikes.
But they have a boat in the front yard.
We're still on an island.
Yeah, I'm coming. I just need to... And what's so special about this bike? Hey! I haven't never had that many spectators around my bike before. I'm with ya. Oh, it was pretty slippery. This is due to all the drunken bouncing from the pub here. And then it's a sharp right up here.
Yeah, that looks right.
Yeah. But we can do this gate the real way if you like. Seems like that red flag is up all the time.
Maybe.
Could have been a nice view, I guess.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Ah, it's getting muddier. Is the gate service open?
I'm trying to be smart and now I've realised that the gate opens.
Okay, but I can open this one. Hang on. There's a gate.
Yeah.
Should I run through and open it on the other side then?
I think I can get this one. Maybe you'll go through that way.
Should be the steep right soon.
I don't know if you can go to the left before you get to the corner.
Yeah, maybe. There's a bicycle in the way then. No, not a bicycle. It is pretty exhausting, even though it's downhill.
There you go. Keep control, right?
Going slow like a pro.
You said practice on your slow rock.
Yes.
It's good.
Or was that M telling you?
Very good. Whoa! What was that? Did you scrape the bottom?
Yeah, the skid plate.
Ah, extra points for your hand. Smell this. Tell me what you think of this.
Oh, onion, yeah, or garlic.
Wild garlic. That's what I'm trying to grow at home.
People pay for that.
Yeah, it's good. You can eat the flowers as well.
Is it the same kind of fort or is it a different kind of fort?
The wet kind.
The wet kind.
I would go to the right or the left. It looks like it's a bit greener algae in the middle.
It's super slippery. I had my feet down.
Oh, then, is that the one we crossed earlier? It is, isn't it?
Yeah, we was going the wrong way in that. Hello, Mr. First Gear again. But they must have made this path with these stones from the beginning, or? I don't know. This is the wrong side. But we also checked the plate. It looks
right now it's here. We should probably give the underside a clean.
Yeah. Oh, should we push it up?
Yeah.
Do you know the way? The handle
Okay.
there. Yeah, hang on, and I will.
So you got no handle at the back there.
I think I actually have something with my ribs. Okay, yeah, okay, and go. Ah. Ooh. Okay, you hold it.
I got it.
It's everything is.
Oh.
Yeah. It did its job there. It's that side that has taken a lot of hits. I think it's because it's bends inwards.
And it pushed it out.
No, it's not touching the. But you see, this is bent inwards. I'm just afraid of a cracked rib or something. That would be boring. Okay, should we go on? Yeah. I have one more on the other side.
There's that one. I wouldn't do that then.
Now?
Oh, was it? Okay, I didn't see that.
Fuck. Yeah, it wasn't really the hard place. Look, it's nothing here.
Yeah, but again, it's just sticky grass, and I think a couple of odd rocks. It's a bad combo, isn't it?
I don't think, if you crack a rib, it should be much more painful, shouldn't it?
Oh, if you crack a rib, you will know about it. Yeah.
I have cracked 8 of them at the same time, but and the middle bone here.
Easy.
When they did
on a motorbike?
No,
Then we just keep going.
they saved me with the hard stuff. I will move on slowly, so
Yeah, you can keep it going.
I'm afraid, Alistair, this might be the end of the off-roading.
Yeah, that's it.
Might end up with the scenic stuff from here. Very scenic and foggy. forgot to buckle up your jacket.
So I have to take off when I get